Hey everyone, M1 Shadow here. Today I'm going to show you how to make my Greek-style steak and spinach salad. It's very easy to do and also super delicious, so let's get started. So what we have over here is about a 4-ounce piece of a chuck tender steak, and let's go ahead and season it. We've got some little bit of onion powder, a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, and a little bit of salt. We also have some Greek dressing. Let's go ahead and put that on there. Kind of rub it in. Then we're going to turn it over and we're going to repeat on the same side. And then what we're just going to do is we're going to let this sit here like this for about 10 minutes while the cast iron skillet gets heated up. In the meantime, let's go ahead and get our salad base mixed. First, we're going to start off with some fresh spinach. Next, we got tomatoes. And next, we got some olives. So here we have our cast iron pan on medium heat. It's been preheated for at least 10 minutes and I've got some butter in there. Let's go ahead and get the steak on there. And this is a thin steak, so we're going to cover it. Then we're going to turn it in about a minute and a half, let it cook the other on the other side for about a minute and a half, and then it should be done. So after the steak's done cooking, what I like to do is let it sit for a few minutes, and then after that we're going to go ahead and just cut it up. And I like to make it like bite-sized pieces. After that we're going to go ahead and layer the salad with the steak. I then like to pour some of that remainder of the steak juice right on it. Next we have the feta cheese. And there you have it. Our steak and spinach salad is done. What I like to do is take some Greek dressing and throw it on top and mix it in there. And I know what you all want, a taste test, right? Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, that hit the spot. Trust me, give this one a try. I think you'll like it. As always, I do want to thank you all for watching and have a good one.